Yo, what is up guys, and welcome back to another video. I bought a new car. It's like 100,000 euros. It's a nice Audi RS7, and we're gonna pick it up now. Alright guys, my car is right here. I'm gonna show it to you right now. It's there. So this is my new car guys. It's nice. It has 2 seats. It's a Peugeot. It's missing the P. Yes, 8 Peugeot. Yes, what do you think guys? Do you like it? It took me over 100,000. Nice car. Yeah, you have good air conditioning and everything. So yeah guys, I forgot to tell you, there is a thing missing for the back, and yeah, I don't even have the keys. I lost it. So yeah, I'm sailing this big sexy car, fuck's sake, for 20 cents. So yes, if you're interested, leave a like on the video, subscribe, and yeah. Sorry guys, I had to take a piss. This is somebody's house, so let's go. Guys, I need to take a piss again. So yeah guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more of this. Leave a thumbs up, and yeah, peace. By the way guys, I used a bottle to take a piss, so don't take this for real. Covering his face. So yeah, like, subscribe, and peace.